Hey, how's it going? This is Wilmer from Branson Cerakote and Laser, and today we're going to do a video on restoring a display cabinet that we picked up. So, a little bit of the backstory. We wanted to get a display cabinet for our showroom to put all our product and to show some of our stuff. So we went to the Facebook Marketplace and we found this cabinet, and as you'll see, we have photos of the before. And this is what it looked like when we first picked it up, and we're like, we're going to restore it and it's going to look really nice. So the first step we had to do into restoring it is we had to take the entire display cabinet apart, and we'll show you the video for that. The next step after that is we had to sandblast all the metal, and as you'll see Andrew doing it. After we sandblasted, it was time to go into the booth and spray our first color. Our first color was a custom mixture of robin's egg blue and parakeet green, and we'll show you the video of that. Our second color was another custom color, which was burnt bronze and hunter orange, and we'll show you that too. And then sadly we don't have any video, but we battle weared the two custom colors together, and then we speckled it all with black. So after we were done with all the metal, the next step was to go onto the wood, and so we ended up burning all the wood, and we'll show you some of that. So after we were done with everything, it's time to put it back all together, and this is our final product. We have all of our products in it and display pieces and a bunch of really cool stuff, as you'll see in the video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. Don't forget to leave your ideas in the comments down below and give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have any needs, make sure to go check out Branson Cerakote and Applicator Hangout. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.